Cuzzen's videotaping my cousin's first ride on a bike. There she goes. She launches. Uh-oh, quickly. Oh, she's launching. She's going. Let's go get a better view of her riding. There she is. There she is. And there's Bree on her fifth ride. And K-Bird's over there. She just managed to ride the right, K-Bird. Oh, there goes Bree! Whoa, look at Bree go! She's like lightning. And then K-Bird's gonna launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And K-Bird's launching. Bree's just off. And K-Bird keeps going. K-Bird keeps going. And that's a time of 15 seconds. And Bree, your time was 13 seconds. K-Bird made a good time. Let's see if she can make a better time back. Let's get out this road. And she's launched. And K-Bird's time is a time of 5 seconds. Let's see that. And that was a great video. So here's my bike. Like it? Hey, can you hold this tablet? Make it look over there.